Hello, welcome to Unicoder Academy. This is Raihan. This video on Java, and this video is introduce of Java. Why should learn Java and what is actually Java? Java is a programming language and it is a very secureful language, and this language is very widely usable language. So now let's see actually what is Java. So in this course I will share with you part by part every lesson of Java. I highly recommended you don't skip at least this tutorial, because this tutorial I will explain with you the whole JavaScript roadmap, how to learn Java. Let's connect with me. I will explain with you and I will learn to use this Java very easily. So this is an introduce video of Java. Now first time, actually what is Java? Yes, Java is an object-oriented programming language developed by James Gosling in the early 1990s. The team initiated this project to develop a language for digital device. So Java is a very important language if you become a programmer or if you become a web developer. So if you have a good knowledge about Java, then you will get a good job. So Java learn is very tough and it is also very easy. If you think it easy, then it is easy. Or if you think it is very complicated, then it will be complicated for yourself. So now let's learn to easy with me. It is owned by Oracle, and more than 3 billion devices run Java. You think your mind. You imagine that how many devices they are involved with Java. It's a Java program. Okay. So now let's know which device we are use a Java and which section we are use a Java. It is used for mobile application, especially Android apps. So many apps you have, daily use you have a lot of apps installed in your phone. It is created by a Java. It's not only Java, it's many others language is including that of software. Now I share with you my life from little example. It's a couple of 10 years ago when I childhood. At that time my father had a phone. Every phone at that time when I childhood, when I got any person of phone, it's anybody who it doesn't matter, but their phone, I just utilize their setting on this phone of setting. When I seen their settings, so every phone look like a same theme is when I going her settings, then I look there. Personally, they have on Java apps, they have on Java settings, they have some little bit Java code. So this is something is include at the time I see that a button phone. Okay, come to the point. We are also use desktop application. Yes, I talking about your Microsoft, your Photoshop, your PowerPoint, many application they are use Java, and web application. I think you know that every company, every sector, they have a lot of website. So this website also run Java. Okay, it's Java just doing a basically backend work, web service and application service. It is also doing that. And the game, so every person they have a game is very famous. So every person they like a game, they play a game. Yes, I will mention that the childhood person, they're always involved a game software. So this software make based on our Java, and the Java is also used to database connection and much more use Java. Now let's move on the next part. Actually, what is the next part? Okay, so why use Java? So many things do a Java. So why use Java? What are benefits we are got? Now let's see. Number 1, Java works on different platform: Windows, Mac, Linux, DC. It is one of the most popular programming language in the world. It has a large demand in the current job marketplace. If you have a good Java knowledge, if you have completely 3 or 4 projects before, then you will get a good job. Just you have to focus your mind and just doing something like that, which is a job related something. And the 4 number, it is easy to learn and simple to use. No, actually it is not easy to learn. If you get it easy, then it is easy. If you get it complicated or it is hard, then you will got it hard. So I always recommend it to you. You will take it easy. And personally, I am going to learn to you it's very easily. Just focus your mind. Actually, what I say and what kind of elements I share with you. And the 5 number is it is open source and free. Now we are getting a very happy moment because everything in the world alive, the person, everything they are expect as I want to, it's free. So every person they take it's free. Okay, so everything is not free, everything is not easy. Okay, it's remind you. Number 6, it is secure, fast and powerful. It is very important. That's why a Java used very widely. You think about, if you don't move speedily, then you can't use anything. Which device is very faster, which device is very speedily working, then this device you use. It's simple. You can't go to our old device, which is very lower and very loser. Every person, they cannot like a loser. Every person use faster. They will always try to do first. Everything they get easy. They don't try to getting easy. Okay, that's why the Java is very faster and very secure. Nobody hack a Java code. Nobody understand too easy a Java code. Okay. Now number 7, it has a huge community support. Think about that. Tens of millions of developers. No problem there. Close your eyes and think about your mind. What are you trying to do? Number 8, Java is an object-oriented language which gives a clear structure to programs and allows the code to be a resource, lowering development cost. I think you got it every point. Now let's move on the next part. What have in this course? Let's check it out. Number 1, I will try to understand to you very easily. If you want to become a Java programmer, then I highly recommend it to you. You take my course and you try to do understand. Number 2 is we have accessories. So my daily video, my daily tutorial, I provide you my last of the video, daily accessories, or what kind of topics I learn to you. I share with you these accessories and I test to you. Actually you are learned or not. I just test to you and I accessories to you. Okay, so when you learn my course, you don't get a chance to move your mind. I always try to understand to you. That's why I can't expect from you, your mind is not working for me. Your mind is not working for me, but I will try to make it to working. Okay, now this is a last number 1, a project based tutorial. So this video is enough for today. See you the next video. Till then, happy.